I have another planner to show you. I have a video where I have made another one using a different paper. So I thought I'd show you the one I just made using the What's Brewing paper collection by Country Craft Creations. So like I said, I have made some other ones. Let me just show you. I had made this one using Life is Beautiful paper. And then I have another one upstairs, but I'm using it so I don't have access to it. This is what I'm going to use for Christmas. This one is like my favorite. This is a paper line from Country Craft Creations too. So let me go through the What's Brewing so you can take a look at that one. This is a Chick Sparrow cover. I got it from a friend of mine. I bought it from her, and this charm was gifted to me by her also. I think she got it from Etsy, but it says my birthstone is a coffee bean. How cute is that? Can you see that, how adorable it is? And then there is a coffee pen on the side. So let's go ahead and go through this. I'm kind of a planner freak lately. So I made tags. This is a sparkly gold, then a copper, and then a gold, and I just glued some little bows on, and then I laminated some of the ephemera. I thought maybe I could use those for bookmarks or something, or it's to save a page or paper clip it onto something. So this first page has the corners, and I tucked a photo mat in there. So this comes out, and then you could put a picture here. This one's just kind of simple, not a whole lot of detail. All of them on the inside, I decorated by just putting one of the cutouts or the ephemera pieces, I matted it and then put it on the inside. These come out so you can use the folders over and over again. You'll see that if you watch the tutorial video. On the back then, I just did some layers of matting. This is a graphic 45 tag. And I just tucked some things behind it. Some more tags. I have a little paper clip there to keep that little piece of ephemera on. This is just going to be used for like, it's just a pocket. Doesn't have any inserts inside. I put the word gourmet on there, did some layering again. I didn't want to cover up this paper, so I left this one pretty much flat and plain. Just added a little tag and then that saying. So then I matted the inside of this one so that I could slide in papers and receipts and all kinds of stuff. And then I do have these paper clips throughout. One says urgent, one says thanks, one says ASAP, one says today. I think there's another one, but. And then on the back, a pocket, I had this coffee die and spoon. So then I just put one of the cut-aparts or the cutouts, I don't know, cut-aparts, ephemera, I don't know what you want to call them. And some flat back pearls here. And I had made this, and I was going to put it on the cover of something, but it just never seemed to look right. So I just thought I'd tuck it in there for right now. All right, the next one. This is a graphic 45 tag that I just folded up. Again, I have a coffee cup here that I had a die for, and I put some flat back flower trim on there. And then I left this open so I could tuck something under there if I wanted to. And then that's a cut apart. And the inside, I really like that ephemera piece. Yeah, this one says ASAP. This and a little cappuccino machine. On the back, I just have an angled pocket, and I did some layering again. Have a little piece of seam binding tied there. Just made two mats to put inside. Put a metal piece. Okay, I used the graphic 45 die to make the pocket, and then I had this coffee die. That was perfect. Had the word mocha in those stickers. This flap is still open. I have some metal corners that were graphic 45. Then I just put a plain tag on the inside that's red. There's that. And then the back, this had such a nice graphic. This was actually on it, the background was green, so I fussy cut around it and put it on this lighter brown paper, so I think it kind of shows a little bit more with a little flower, and again, some tags tucked in behind. And then I like to laminate at least one of these. Sometimes I use them as page dividers, sticky note holders. If it doesn't have a pen holder like this one does, I can clip a pen on there and let it just sit in there nicely. But I love a chunky planner, and that definitely fits the bill right. This here does. So if you're interested in making those folders, I do have a tutorial for it. I've been making them. I love these paper collections so much that I just keep making more. But I appreciate you watching my video. And if you have any questions, you can let me know. And I will link the tutorial down in the description box. All right, thanks for stopping by.